Most Power BI reports look the same or very similar, although standard visuals and charts are useful, but sometimes the visual you need doesn't exist in Power BI. Ataytis Vega Studio is a free certified visual on Microsoft Store that lets you bring more custom, animated, and interactive visual experiences into Power BI. These can be completely bespoke designs built with Vega JSON. I've built all 4 of these visuals with Ataytis Vega Studio. Even though they are not perfect, we can clearly see the possibilities that Vega brings. We can create custom animated visuals that respond to user selections. It can update live whilst the report is open, and everything else in between. Just select it from the visuals pane, add at least 1 data field or any data fields that will be used in your script. Click the 3 dots for more options, select edit, and you get to the Ataytis Vega Studio editor interface. Here you can type in any custom script and render the visual immediately. We have also launched ready-made templates that can be accessed on Ataytis Tech website. This library is being extensively updated, with at least 1 extra template being added every week. This makes Ataytis Vega Studio even easier to use. Just choose a template you like, customize it with all of the interactive options on the website, then just copy the script, paste it inside Ataytis Vega Studio editor, and your visual is ready to go.